I'm in the process of restoring some old drawings here that I've seen being beaten with time. Now the paper is very fragile, so it needs strengthening because I intend to build from these. So the first thing I do is to remove the creases in the plans as much as possible. I'm going to mount these onto stout white paper with wallpaper paste, but the most important thing is to get most of the creases out that you can do, because otherwise they're difficult to roll down. I'll show you the process I use anyway. So this is wartime paper, this is 1944, this is wartime, it's almost like newspaper quality, but I want to make some replicas of these models from these very rare drawings which I've recently acquired. This is the Orca Typhoon, and that is the Vickers Wellington. On the back of this is actually a Dornier. In them days when they used to do the kits, they used to use universal plans, so they would have plan on one side and plan on the other. But I've already got the Dornier plan, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to opt for the Wellington. I want to build the Wellington, so I'm going to preserve the Wellington. So that's stage one, and that's the ironing process. This is an ordinary heat shrink iron that I'm using here, and I'm just gently setting it on low heat, and I'm just working out the creases so that I can go to the next stage, which is to actually paste these onto this backing paper here.